Hello there. We are reviewing on the newest Amazon Echo Show 8 that blends immersive entertainment, smart home convenience, and powerful Alexa features in one sleek device. With its 8-inch HD touchscreen and spatial audio, watching content from Prime Video, Netflix, or Fire TV channels feels more engaging than ever. Music streaming through Amazon Music, Spotify, or Apple Music sounds full and rich, thanks to dual neodymium drivers and a passive bass radiator. The 13MP auto-framing camera makes video calls sharper and more natural, while noise reduction helps you stay clearly connected. Smart home control is built in with Zigbee, Matter, and Thread support. No extra hub required. Easily manage lights, cameras, or routines by voice, touch, or motion. Your home screen becomes a personal gallery with Amazon Photos, an adaptive color that adjusts for any lighting. You can also use adaptive content to quickly check your calendar, reminders, or your favorite widgets. The Echo Show 8 is designed for privacy, with a physical camera shutter, mic mute controls, and no data selling. It's also built sustainably with 29% recycled materials and 99% with fiber-based packaging. Under the hood, the octa-core processor with Amazon's AZ2 Neural Engine keeps Alexa responsive and smart. Accessibility features like Tap to Alexa, adaptive listening, screen magnifier, and real-time text make the device friendly for users of all needs. Setup is quick with Amazon Wi-Fi Simple Setup, and the device supports dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for flexible use. Compact and powerful, the Echo Show 8 redefines what a smart display can be. Ask ChatGPT